Welcome back to Bazaar Ki Batein with KR and UR. Today we are going to talk about the past week, some of our trades, and some general insights. So let's get started, UR.
ओके। आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है स्टॉक मार्केट्स विद केआर में। और अगर आपने पहले वाले वीडियो नहीं देखे तो कृपया वो वीडियो जाके देख लीजिए। यहाँ पे पॉज कीजिए, देख लीजिए, क्योंकि काफ़ी इम्पोर्टेंट बात हो चुकी है वहाँ पे। और इस हफ्ते में बाजार ने सेलिंग प्रेशर बना रहा। Lot of selling happened, and FIIs and even DIIs kept selling in thousands of crores. And that is what was evident on Nifty, because Nifty fell almost 350 points. And Bank Nifty की तो बात ही मत पूछो। Around in between Tuesday and Friday, 950 odd points have been lost by Bank Nifty from the high, which was around 38,171 or so. So 1,000 points have been lost in Bank Nifty. I see 1,000 points as an opportunity. 350 points lost in Nifty. I see them as an opportunity. Now let's hear whether technically both these are good investments.
राइट सो टेक्निकली स्पीकिंग नाउ निफ्टी का जो डेली चार्ट है हम लोग देख रहे हैं एंड वी कैन सी इट्स अ ड्रैगन फ्लाई डोजी मतलब ऐसा होता है। तो ये जो भी पार्ट था यहाँ पे हम लोग ने बाइंग देखा था एंड दैट इज व्हाई इट सॉर्ट ऑफ पुश्ड अप प्राइसेस व्हिच इज अ गुड साइन, इट्स अ बुलिश साइन व्हिच मींस कि लोअर लेवल्स पे बाइंग हो रहा है। हम लोग ये देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे जो कंसोलिडेशन जैसा हो रहा था यहाँ पे पॉसिबली वो जोन के आसपास ही हो रहा है बाइंग वी कैन सी। It is also right around the 20 MA. 20 MA is known as the first line of defense in in a market. Whether it's bull, whether it's bear, it's like the first line of defense for the trend to continue. और वही एरिया पे हम लोग देख सकते हैं that has happened. So to me it looks good. और अगर बहुत लोग बात करते हैं कि we want to buy at dips, buy at dips. So if you want to buy at dips, possibly दिस माइट जस्ट बी दी अपॉर्चुनिटी। अभी amazon पे चल रहा है प्राइम डे सेल या कुछ फ्लिपकार्ट पे चल रहा है बिग बिलियन डे सेल। सो this might just be the market's way of showing us a quick sale. I believe last time also around Diwali we were seeing some sort of selling, so possibly it's just seasonal.
या दिवाली के दिन क्या होता है कि सबको ऐसा लगता है कि मैं बाय करूं, लेकिन सबको बोलते हैं कि मैं बाय करूंगा। एक्चुअली रियलिटी में क्या होता है ना, सब लोग को पैसा चाहिए तो सब लोग बेचते हैं। एंड दिवाली डे, द मुहूर्त ट्रेडिंग डे, एंड्स जनरली इन नेगेटिव. So that is going to be the scenario. There are two schools of thought here. In the month of October, people say that October is going to be a trending month. Some people say that October is going to have equinox and all that. Because October 1987 में क्रैश हुआ था कोई, आई थिंक 19 of October 1987 में. So there is a tendency on the part of people who believe in lunar and other cycles to recall that and create a panic in the market. So that may be there, may not be there. The other school says that October is a highly bullish month because corporate results are going to be coming in starting most likely from TCS around 10th, 12th of October. So it is going to be an interesting month. But what KR mentioned कि ये दिवाली के पहले का सेल है, ये तो नवरात्रि भी आई नहीं और सेल चालू हो गया लगता है मुझे। लेकिन अगर आपको सचमुच में सेल में पार्टिसिपेट करना है तो आप एक वीडियो शायद कल रिलीज हुआ रहेगा, दिखाइए जरा ईटीएफ वाला वीडियो, ईटीएफ बेस्ड इन्वेस्टिंग वाला वीडियो देख लीजिएगा, बिकॉज इट शोज यू एग्जैक्टली इन रुपी टर्म्स कि आपको कितना पैसा मिल सकता है 1 साल में, 2 साल में, जो भी है। आप देख लीजिए ये वीडियो और अपना डिसीजन खुद कीजिए। सो द लॉन्ग एंड शॉर्ट ऑफ इट इज दैट दिस इज द टाइम टू पार्शियली इन्वेस्ट, क्योंकि अगर ये फ्राइडे के लेवल्स जो लोअर लेवल्स है 17,450 के आसपास का और बैंक निफ्टी का 36,800 के आसपास का, अगर these levels have been held throughout this coming week, then we may see indices going up further.
Right. So that technical session was obviously a little extended by some non-technical things also on my part and on yours part, who is talking about non-technical things. But ठीक है, आगे बढ़ते हैं. Now we can move on to Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty is showing us a pretty decent pattern right around here. It's a hammer, and we can see ये जो zone था, ठीक है, 36,937 के साइकोलॉजिकल के आसपास से ही ऊपर गया है, विच इज अगेन अ गुड साइन. इट्स एक्चुअली क्लोज्ड 20 or actually 19 points above the 20 MA, which is also a pretty good sign. And in terms of resistances, हम लोग देख सकते हैं ये वाला जो gap है, that will obviously be a tough one to fill. That's around 37,400, 500, and then 37,700. Now, previously you are mentioned that around 1,000 point gira hai. So let's see how many points it's actually fallen, and I'll try to use the tool if I can. But for some reason, it's not letting me. There we go. So it's fallen around 1150 points Bank Nifty. So काफी मतलब हुआ है. It's not an insignificant number, I would say. But then again, we have seen 1,000, 1,500 point falls. उतना मतलब it's not something that is a cause of worry either, in my opinion. So that's what we're seeing right now. Again, this is a cleaner chart above 20 MA, possibly the first line of defense for the bulls. Again, big billion day sale type हो सकता है market में. होगा या नहीं हम लोग को पता चलेगा बाद में जब ये एक्चुअली हैपेंस. सी, नो वन नोज व्हाट माइट हैपन. मार्केट कैन गो डाउन, अप. वी नेवर नो. If anyone claims to do so, they are possibly from the future, or they are not very honest. But we never know what happens. Almost we can do कि क्या हुआ है और क्या हो सकता है, उसके हिसाब से हम लोग कैलकुलेटेड रिस्क का डिसीजन ले सकते हैं.
दैट इज राइट एंड ऑल्सो लाइक ये जो अभी आपने देखा है निफ्टी बैंक निफ्टी द कैंडल्स आर एक्चुअली हैंगिंग इन द एयर एंड मेनी ऑफ द स्टॉक्स ऑल्सो आर लाइक दिस सो अगर आप एनालिसिस करने जाएंगे तो आपको या तो कोई स्टॉक एकदम नीचे गिरता हुआ दिखेगा या तो वो हवा में झूम रहा है. So you may not be able to actually buy a script unless you have conviction that okay, HDFC, Reliance, these scripts will go up. But remember, जब पूरा मार्केट ऊपर जाएगा तो रिलायंस नीचे खींच सकता है, कोटक बैंक कैन गो क्रेजी. And when the market is going down, Reliance and Kotak Bank have supported in the week that just concluded. So you have to be very careful. And एक वीडियो ईओडी एनालिसिस वाला भी है, फ्राइडे को रिलीज हुआ है ये वीडियो, वो भी आप देख सकते हो. उसके अंदर सारी बातें बनाई है. बट टुडे देर इज समथिंग इंटरेस्टिंग एज एन एडेड बोनस दैट I thought of sharing with our viewers that एक आई इन पर्टिकुलर फॉलो पी आर सुंदर, मास्टर ऑप्शन सेलर. एंड उन्होंने बताया था कि अल्टीमेटली मार्केट जो चलती है दैट रन्स ओनली ऑन ऋतिक स्टॉक्स. नाउ आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट ऋतिक रोशन बट दीज आर ऋतिक स्टॉक्स. सो व्हाट आर these ऋतिक stocks? It is HDFC, Reliance, Infosys, TCS, HDFC Bank, then ICICI Bank and Kotak Bank. So अगर आपको जानना है कि which side the market is going to go, just focus on these Ritik stocks. See, this is the insight that we have brought to you from learning from somebody else, right? We are sharing the knowledge that we have got from by watching some other person's YouTube video, and it's a great stuff. And coincidentally, we are also following Ritik. Plus, we have added our own that we trade, mostly Maruti and Tata Motors, because Kia is known for its soft corner for Tata Motors. So ये कर रहे हैं. So Ritik stock को follow कीजिए और you will know which side the market is going. So any and you will also get और एक वीडियो आएगा शायद कल. We'll try to give you swing trading opportunities once we do the weekly analysis of stocks, so that can also help you look at some scripts. But what is important is to know for all of us what was KR doing in buying some script. I saw him, he was trying to buy some script. What was the script name?
So the first one, okay, first one, and this is the stock जिसके वजह से मेरे को TOTP Zerodha का फिर से enable करना पड़ा है. That is Cyber Media. It's a small cap company, okay, so don't expect good price movements, but I thought it's a at a reasonable place. We can see there's some good buying happening here at these candles 10 के psychological level के आसपास. So I've put in a little money again. It's very small, just to try things out. Another stock that I have entered is IGL. You may or may not have heard of it. If you haven't, then please look at more charts. I think that will be helpful.
ये दिल्ली वाले को मालूम होगा क्योंकि ये इंद्रप्रस्थ गैस है। इंद्रप्रस्थ मीन्स दिल्ली।
Okay. Yeah, there's some additional knowledge geography with UR. Looks like नया YouTube channel चालू करना पड़ेगा. But
भाई ऑलरेडी है द ओपन माइंड विथ यू।
right,
व्हाई डोंट यू गो देयर एंड चेक? आपकी
right.
दुनिया बदल जाएगी
See,
मेरे दोस्तों।
this
हाँ।
is the video by him. You can see here the open mind with you. But digression aside, IGL was another trade that I have taken. So let's see how things go.
Yeah.
And
And by the way, I picked up Wipro on Friday. So show the viewers why Wipro would have been taken.
yeah, I mean, hopefully the viewers can understand.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay. Then another script that I picked up during the week was Sharda Crop.
Sharda Crop. Why does the name sound familiar?
आई डोंट नो। ये उल्टा गया है एक्चुअली। मैंने थर्सडे को लिया था तो यू कैन सी द कैंडल विच इज अबाउट द लाइन,
Right.
राइट? एंड if you remember, last week we had mentioned about Coal India, and Coal India rocketed like क्या बोलते हैं जो भी PSLV।
Locomotive.
हाँ,
It went
उसके
up
जैसा
like a locomotive that's
लोकोमोटिव।
powered by coal.
या।
So,
एंड देयर इज गोइंग
yeah.
टू बी कोल शॉर्टेज इन चाइना, आई बिलीव। पावर की कमी की वजह से ये सब हो रहा है। बट एक्चुअली चार्ट्स वर स्पीकिंग लॉन्ग अगो दैट इट इज गोइंग टू गो अप। इट्स ओनली अ मैटर ऑफ टाइम। सो what else is there, care on your mind?
Now on my mind, though, I have some nice food, some good meals,
Oh.
and that does not mean I'm talking about Burger King and Zomato stocks, but maybe I'm talking about ordering from those places.
Okay, but Zomato, I think it would have come down. Since you have taken that name, why don't you look at Zomato? Because this could be interesting. Is it a daily or?
This is the daily one. मतलब
अच्छा,
उतना
okay.
कुछ खास नहीं है, उधर का
नहीं
उधर
है।
ही है.
Okay, so Zomato is going to be this thing. And by the way, I also applied. KR has reserved his money for Oyo, but I have applied for which is that thing Aditya Birla Sun Life AMC। और उसके ऊपर मैंने एक वीडियो भी डाला है, जाके देख लीजिए आप। I know now you cannot buy because the IPO time limit is over, but if you are alert on this channel, you would have known this already. So next IPO, I think the big one that is coming out is Oyo, and Goer का भी IPO आ रहा है, and
ATM possibly.
Paytm and all that. So you should stay tuned to this channel because आप देखते रहिए क्या क्या चीज़ें आने वाली है आपके फायदे के लिए। और एक एच डी एफ सी ए एम सी का भी वीडियो है जहाँ पे अभी भी it is still a buy. You can have a look at the video and you will know why it is a buy. And I think with that buy, it is time to say goodbye, isn't it?
Yes,
Or there
very
is
well.
something else that is to be shared.
I think we're good for now. So goodbye for now, and we will be back in hopefully just a few hours then for you.
Yeah,
Or you can choose not to say goodbye for now and watch some of our other videos. That's always
yeah.
an option.
Instead of watching Netflix and Prime, keep watching these videos. आपके पैसे भी बनते रहेंगे, knowledge भी बढ़ता रहेगा। फायदा ही फायदा दोस्तों। Goodbye and enjoy the day.
Take care, everyone. Happy weekend.